Hello YouTube family, Jumbo, maganda hapon. Wow, today I'm going to make adobo, chicken adobo. Wow, I told you I'm international. I'm going to make chicken adobo, and adobo is from the Philippines. Alright, so let's go straight to how I'm going to make my adobo. First of all, I have marinated the chicken. I added soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and black pepper. I marinated it for like 30 minutes and now it's ready for cooking. And this is how I'm gonna cook it. And the ingredients I have, after boiling it, I'm gonna use garlic, pepper, and I have potatoes, pineapples, and eggs. All these are optional ones, so it's up to you. If you want optional ones, then you can add, but for me I like adding pineapple, potatoes, and eggs. Now let's go straight to the cooking. Okay, so the first step is to add together the onions and the marinated chicken. The onions and the marinated chicken, and then mix it. Mix it. And after mixing it, I'll add some water, just a little water, and then boil it for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so after mixing it, I'm going to cover it. Okay, and check the fire. Medium flame is okay, I guess. And I will wait, and I'm going to wait for the chicken to cook for a few minutes before we add the other ingredients. Now let's wait for the chicken. Okay, now after simmering for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna add the pineapple and the egg, the boiled egg, as I said. So I will add the egg and the pineapple. Okay, then mix so that the egg also will be tasty, like the meat. Then I'm going to cover it. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then wait for the meat to get tender, to be tender. And then we're gonna do the next step. Let's wait for the meat to be done. Okay, now the chicken is tender and very soft. I'm gonna change it to another utensil and then fry a bit. The next step, I'm going to add some olive oil, just a bit of olive oil. Add the garlic and pepper. garlic and pepper and fry it until it turns to brownish before I add the chicken and the potatoes. This is the last step. And I'll add the chicken. Then fry it for a few minutes, and then I'll add the rest of I'll add the potatoes. This is just an optional one. If you don't want to add potatoes and eggs, it's okay. Okay, the adobo is done. You can see how it looks. Can you zoom here? You can see how it looks. It looks perfect. The color, the taste, it tastes amazing, great. So